Welcome to the Thai lesson for beginners. We shall continue to learn Thai alphabets from where we previously left.
บอ 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 ใบไม้
which means leaf.
บอ ใบไม้ บอ ใบไม้
The first sound is the exact pronunciation of the alphabet. The second sound is the example word corresponding to that alphabet. This makes learning Thai alphabets with similar pronunciation much more convenient.
ป่ะ 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 ปลา
which means fish.
ป่ะ ปลา ป่ะ ปลา ผ่า 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 พึ่ง
which means bee.
ผ่า พึ่ง ผ่า พึ่ง ฝอ 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 ฝา
which means lid or covering, which is used to enclose something.
ฝอ ฝา ฝอ ฝา พอ 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 ผ่าน
which means a tray with pedestal. It is commonly used for ritual and devotional purposes, by placing offerings and other important items required for the ceremony.
พอ ผ่าน พอ ผ่าน ฟอ 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 ฟัน
which means tooth.
ฟอ ฟัน ฟอ ฟัน พอ 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 สำเภา
which means a small ship with sail, commonly used in Southeast Asia.
พอ สำเภา พอ สำเภา มอ 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 ม้า
which means horse.
มอ ม้า มอ ม้า ยอ 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 ยักษ์
which means giant.
ยอ ยักษ์ ยอ ยักษ์ ระ 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 เรือ
which means boat.
ระ เรือ ระ เรือ ละ 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 ลิง
which means monkey.
ละ ลิง ละ ลิง วะ 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 แหวน
which means ring.
วะ แหวน วะ แหวน สอ 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 ศาลา
which means pavilion.
สอ ศาลา สอ ศาลา สอ 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 ฤๅษี
which means sage.
สอ ฤๅษี สอ ฤๅษี
The word is one of the many examples of how Indian language and culture have a significant impact in the Thai way of life.
สอ 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 เสือ
Which means tiger.
สอ เสือ สอ เสือ หะ 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 หีบ
Which means a chest or a box which contains valuable items.
หะ หีบ หะ หีบ ละ 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 จุฬา
Which is a traditional kite of Thailand.
ละ จุฬา ละ จุฬา
Unlike the conventional kites, which are diamond-shaped, this kite is in the shape of a star. They are larger in size compared to other varieties of traditional kites, which have been used in kite flying competitions in Thailand for centuries.
อ่ะ 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 อ่าง
Which means a sink, or a tub, or a reservoir. It can refer to anything which can hold large quantities of water.
อ่ะ อ่าง อ่ะ อ่าง หอ 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 นกฮูก
Which means owl.
หอ นกฮูก หอ นกฮูก
Thank you for the patient learning. With that, we have completed all the Thai consonants. The next step is to learn the Thai vowels. One interesting characteristic of Thai alphabets is that vowels are basically sounds, which are attached to the consonant to give a unique pronunciation, a common trait which can be observed in many South Asian and Southeast Asian languages. Considering the significance of learning Thai alphabets, every alphabet and its pronunciation will be explored in the upcoming lessons. In what may seem to be redundant, yet, it will also give a better practice of Thai alphabets, especially the consonants, and familiarize with the vowels, and learn when to use them. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any doubts regarding the Thai lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.